I'm Billie Jo Hennica, Chief Operating Officer for McKenzie Health System. As a community leader in healthcare for over 5 decades, we have dedicated ourselves to caring for the members of this community. Our entire team has worked tirelessly to make sure our patients are safe during the challenges of COVID-19. We are committed to making sure that every aspect of your time in our care has been carefully thought through. As you enter the hospital and other clinics, you may notice that plexiglass shields have been installed in several locations to provide a layer of protection for you and our staff. Personnel are at each entrance to administer a quick healthcare screening, including a temperature and symptom check. Our staff will be wearing masks, and everyone entering our facilities is required to wear one as well. If you need a mask, it will be made available when you arrive, and hand sanitizer is readily available. Patient waiting areas and restrooms are regularly cleaned and sanitized for your safety while you wait. To make sure all employees are ready to care for you, they are required to go through a temperature check at the beginning of each of their shifts. If any symptoms of illness are discovered, the employee is immediately sent home, no exceptions. All employees have face masks and are required to wear them in all locations of our facilities. Those who provide direct care may also wear face shields and other special equipment when necessary. McKenzie has a good supply of this equipment, and you can be assured that we are following strict guidelines for hand washing. Additionally, hand sanitizer is always available at stations throughout our facility for both our staff and our patients. The areas where you receive treatment are thoroughly cleaned and sanitized. The caregivers have been screened, and as always, they practice regular hand hygiene every time they interact with a patient. Other patients also receiving care will have gone through our screening and kept safely distanced from you. If you are having a surgical procedure, you will be required to have a COVID-19 test prior to making sure our surgical environments remain safe and our caregivers can proceed with confidence. Safety while using our emergency and outpatient services is always a high priority. Within these environments, face masks and social distancing is rigorously enforced. Rooms and equipment, including wheelchairs, are also regularly sanitized to ensure each patient is safe. When you arrive in an exam, diagnostic, or patient room, either at the hospital or a clinic, you can be certain that all of the surfaces within that environment have been thoroughly disinfected with medical-grade cleaning agents by a trained team member who themselves have been carefully screened each day. From doorknobs to faucets, light switches to equipment controls, each touch point is cleaned regularly, ensuring that your entire time with us is safe. Our family healthcare clinics and rehabilitation department have added televisits or virtual care for those who prefer not to enter a healthcare facility during this time. These visits have given us an opportunity to stay connected with our patients who are not comfortable with an in-person appointment. We are proud of our team and how they have responded to this health crisis. When COVID-19 hit, a team was immediately called together to evaluate our facilities, our care team, and the needs of our community. This team met daily for weeks and it still meets regularly throughout the week to evaluate and implement any additional steps needed to assure safety and continued patient care. If I had one thought to share at this moment, it would be this. The team at McKenzie, both medical and non-medical, is made up of an exceptional staff. But they are not just staff, they are people, many of them people from our community. We live here, our friends live here, our families live here. We know the importance of providing safe, quality health care for each person, and that will remain the mission we are passionate about, no matter what may change in the world around us. Stay safe and stay healthy.